English grammar, punctuation, understanding its function. In this lesson, we will demonstrate the appropriate use of punctuation when writing. A period is used at the end of a statement. For example, today I learned how to use a period in a sentence. An exclamation point is used to show excitement or emphasis at the end of a sentence. For example, I can't believe how great of a day it is today. A question mark is used at the end of a question. For example, can you help me carry in this box? A comma is used to separate phrases or items in a list. For example, I need to buy an apple, an orange, and a banana. A semicolon is used to join two independent clauses that are closely related. Example, Melissa went to the library to study. It was the only place quiet enough for her to focus. An ellipsis is used to indicate a pause or trailing off of a thought. For example, weeks later, I finally found my missing shoe. The quotation marks are used to mark the beginning and end of a quote or to show speech used in a sentence. For example, I'm excited to go to the zoo this weekend, exclaimed Molly. An apostrophe is used to show possession. For example, Jonah's new box of markers had 50 different colors. A colon is used to introduce groups of words in a series or introduce a quote. For example, Frank was going to buy 3 things: a lamp, a couch, and a book. Other punctuation marks: parentheses or round brackets, square brackets, braces or curly brackets, hyphen, at sign, ampersand, slash, backslash, underscore, %sign, number sign, hash or pound, vertical bar or pipe. Quiz time. Good work, see you later.